History lesson. Go, Portobello. Why is Portobello so awesome?
Come on, it's a historical bay, guys. This is the bay where all the ships arrived in the 50s to the 80s. All the sailboats arriving or leaving from Europe to the Americas were supposed to arrive over here. This bay, Portobello, was in the mouth of all the sailors for many years. And then you can see, you know, it's an incredible anchorage, stable, good favorable winds. Only few times per year we have waves inside the bay. You know. Let's imagine that all the gold stolen in the Americas has been coming over here before going to Europe. Stored, so all the treasures that we are talking about in movies, all the treasure, all the real money, you know, that Europe made from Americas for most than 200 years have been coming in Portobello. And let's remember, Portobello Road in London, you know?
Yeah.
They were wishing about Portobello.
Yeah.